there is news that there could be a blackout in the national capital in the next 2 days if coal supplies to power plants do not improve. That is what a Delhi minister in the Aam Aadmi Party has said today. And Delhi has now joined a long queue of states, including Tamil Nadu and Odisha, that have raised concerns over long power cuts due to the shortage of coal in power plants.
देखिएगा, दिल्ली के अंदर पूरे देश में तो ये पिछले कई दिनों से क्राइसिस चल रहा है, अभी नहीं है, बहुत दिनों से चल रहा है। कल अचानक बवाना के अंदर जो हमारा 1300 मेगावाट का प्लांट है उसकी गैस बंद कर दी गई थी। अभी केंद्र से बात हुई है, गैस दे रहे हैं, वो गैस से बिजली बनाने में 17 रुपये यूनिट पड़ रही है। फिर भी हमने कहा कि इसको प्लांट को चलाइएगा, 17 रुपये में भी हम बना के चला रहे हैं, तो 17 रुपये यूनिट में चला रहे हैं हम। अभी तो कहेंगे 2 दिन का तो क्राइसिस खत्म हो गया, परंतु अगर बिजली बिल्कुल ही देना बंद कर देंगे, गैस भी नहीं देंगे, कोयला भी नहीं देंगे, तो दिक्कत आ सकती है।
And Akshay Dongre is following the story. He joins us now. Akshay, what exactly is the source of this crisis? And, it's ironic here. Now the Delhi government is asking for more coal. This at a time when, annually we see pollution rising across Delhi, and it's a huge concern for the health of the citizens.
Well, Sarah, yeah, so that is absolutely a valid concern, but as far as the power plants of the country are concerned, mostly the power plants that we use are coal-based power plants. And while we are trying to make a gradual shift toward other sources of power, it seems that economically only coal power plants are a viable option right now as far as the electricity demands are concerned. So when we are looking at the 4 to 5 major power plants that provide electricity to the national capital are the ones in Jhajjar and Dadri, and especially these two plants require massive amount of coal, and they produce approximately 793 and 690 megawatt of electricity. But that requires burning of a lot of coal, and according to the rule, each and every power plant is supposed to have 1 month of stock as far as the coal is concerned. But the situation right now is very concerning because both of these major power plants have only 1 day of stock left, and the other power plants that are also dependent on gas, the Delhi government has said that if there is any interruption to the gas to these coal power plants and to these power plants, there can be a blackout in the national capital, as there won't be any electricity made in these power plants. So the government will not be in any situation, rather in any position to provide electricity to the national capital. So that is one concern. Also, a very political statement, very huge political statement has been made by the Delhi government once again, because this is another crisis we are seeing after the medical oxygen crisis that we saw during the second peak of COVID-19, and the statement that has been made by the health minister of the national capital is that this can be a man-made disaster as well, a man-made crisis, because what Satyendra Jain has said is that once a crisis is solved, it seems that the central government has achieved something huge, and that is the reason this can be a possibility that this is a man-made crisis. So political statements coming in, while at the same time Chief Minister of the national capital has written to the Prime Minister asking him to personally intervene in this matter and provide uninterrupted coal and gas to the power plants. So that remains a concern, that whether the central government will be acting, because the power plants in the national capital, according to the Delhi government, are already running at only 55% of their capacity, and that is going to be a huge concern in the upcoming days if the regular coal supply is not restored to these power plants, and we can see frequent power cuts as well as possibility of a blackout too.
All right, Akshay Dongre reporting. Thanks for that update.